Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by acting fast. Clean the chip with alcohol and a lint-free cloth so resin bonds to clear glass. Once done, place the suction bridge directly over the damage. Make sure the rim seals tightly to prevent air leaks. Attach the reservoir to the bridge and verify a solid vacuum. This draws resin into micro cracks. Prepare the resin syringe and keep curing film and razor blade within reach. Doing these steps in sequence prevents contamination and speeds the repair. You inject resin deliberately. Push the syringe plunger slowly to flood the void without forcing air deeper into cracks. Then, perform the kit's vacuum and, if provided, pressure cycles, typically 3 to 5 alternations, to pull trapped air out and promote resin penetration. Make sure to check the chip under angled light. Once bubbles rise, top off with small resin amounts to fill low spots. This step is critical because resin must fully occupy voids to restore strength and optical clarity. You now cure and finish the repair. Lay the curing film over the resin and expose it to the UV lamp for the kit's recommended duration. This hardens resin quickly and locks the bond. Once cured, remove the bridge, peel film, and scrape excess resin flush using the razor at a shallow angle. Then buff with the supplied pad for optical smoothness. If you still see small bubbles or a pit, reapply resin and repeat vacuum cycles or a short cure. This fixes incomplete fills and restores clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.